In this video class I am going to explain about distance form of a line or symmetric form of a line and parametric equations also we can discuss. Now equation of the line passing through the point x1 y1 and it makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Equation of the line passes through the point x1 y1 and it makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Here I am taking one more point, this is where I am taking a P. Here I am taking one more point Q, H comma K at a distance r units on the line. Then here we can write, here what about the slope of the line passes through the 2 points y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and that is equal to slope only. Here inclination is given, here we can write a slope also. Tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to k minus y1 by h minus x1. This one we can write here, these two interchanging, h minus x1 by cos theta, that is equal to k minus y1 by sin theta, that is equal to, here I am taking plus r minus r. So here I can write the parametric equations equating these two, h minus x1 by cos theta, that is equal to plus r minus r, h minus x1, that is equal to plus r minus r cos theta, and h is equal to x1 plus r minus r cos theta. Similarly, here we can write k is equal to y1 plus r minus r sin theta. These are the parametric equations only. See, one point is given and inclination also given, then we can write any point on that line at a distance r units. So here, for example, h comma k, that is one of the point at a distance r units from x1 y1. So the coordinates of h comma k, h is equal to x1 plus r minus r cos theta and k is equal to y1 plus r minus r sin theta. Now we can discuss some problems related to this concept. Now first one, a line through 3, 4 makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. A line passes through the point 3, 4 and it makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Find the points on the line which are 5 units away from P. So here I am taking one more point Q. The coordinates of that Q I am taking h comma k. So that is the point at a distance 5 units from P only. R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. So then what about the coordinates of h here? H is equal to x1. x1, that is 3. H is equal to x1 plus r minus r, distance 5 only. Cos theta, here 60 degrees is given, cos 60 degrees. And k is equal to y1 plus r minus r sin 60 degrees. So h is equal to 3 plus r minus 5 by 2 and k is equal to 4 plus r minus 5 into root 3 by 2. So here if I take plus, that side also you can take plus. Here 3 plus 5 by 2, I am taking plus. This side also you can take plus 4 plus 5 root 3 by 2. This side if I take minus 3 minus 5 by 2, this side also you can take a minus 1. So 2 points are there at a distance 5 units in the same straight line. One is a forward point, one is a backward point. By taking plus or minus you can get 2 points. One is a forward point and one more backward point. One is a P, one is a Q and one is a Q dash, like that. Those are the 2 points at a distance 5 units from P. Next one. A straight line parallel to the line y is equal to root 3x passes through the point 2, 3 and cuts the line 2x plus 4y minus 27 equals 0 at P. Find the length of PQ. Now here you can see y is equal to root 3x is there. Roughly I am drawing that one. y is equals to root 3x. What is the slope of that one? Y is equals to mx. So tan theta, that is equals to root 3 only. So theta is equals to 60 degrees. Here also theta 60 degrees only. Theta is equals to 60 degrees. Now a straight line parallel to that one, this is the line parallel to that one, and passes through the point Q2, comma 3, and this line cuts another line. What is that one? 2x plus 4y minus 27 equals 0 at P. We want length of PQ. We want length of PQ. So these two are parallel, their slopes are same only. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are same. Here also theta equals to 60 degrees. So here I am taking the coordinates of P, H, comma K. I am taking the coordinates of P, H, comma K. And at a distance r units from Q, 2, comma 3. Here we want only one point. Here, if you want only one point, you can take only r. No need to take plus or minus. If you want both the points, both the possibilities are there, we can take plus or minus. Here this line cuts this line. So we want exactly one point only. That's why here I am not using plus or minus. Then I am writing the parametric equations. What about h here? H is equals to x1 plus r cos 60. Cos 60, that is 1 by 2. And k is equals to y1 plus r sin 60, that is root 3 by 2. And here, where is h comma k? This is the common point only. H comma k lies on that line only. H comma k lies on 2x plus 4y minus 27 equals to 0. So in the place of x comma y, you can substitute h comma k, 2h plus 4k minus 27, that is equals to 0. 2 into, what about h value here? 2 plus r by 2 plus 4 into k value, 3 plus root 3 r by 2 minus 27 equals to 0. By solving this, by simplifying this one, we can make r as subject only. We can get the r value here. 2 2 are 4 plus 2 gets cancelled r plus 12 plus 2 root 3 r, that is equals to 27. From these two, if I take r as common, 2 root 3 plus 1, that is equals to 27 minus 16. So r is equals to 11 by 2 root 3 plus 1. And if I rationalize this one, 2 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 3 minus 1. 11 into 2 root 3 minus 1 by a square minus b square. 2 2 are 4, 3 are 12 minus 1, that is 11 only. 11 gets cancelled. We are getting, here we got 2 root 3 minus 1. That is the length of PQ only. Or we have taken length of PQ. So here that is a 2 root 3 minus 1. Next one, find the points on the line which are at a distance 5 units from the point 3, comma 2. Find the points of the line which are at a distance. Line equation is given. Find the points on the line which are, 1 minute. So find the points on the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0. So line equation is given, 3x minus 4y minus 1 equals to 0. What is the slope of this one? Slope is nothing but tan theta only, minus a by b, that is 3 by 4. If you take the right angle triangle, theta, tan theta 3 by 4, so this is 5 only. Here we want, find the points which are at a distance 5 units from the point. This one I am taking P 3, comma 2. So here 2 points are there. Here 2 points are there at a distance 5 units. One is forward, one is backward. So here we can use a plus or minus only. This one I am taking h comma k. Here r is equal to 5 units is given. Then what about the parametric equations here? H is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta. Cos theta from the diagram 4 by 5. K is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta, that is 3 by 5 from that triangle. So h is equal to, here 5 gets cancelled, here also 5 gets cancelled. 3 plus or minus 4, k is equal to 2 plus or minus 3. If I take plus 3 plus 4 7, here also you can take plus 2 plus 3 5. And one more, 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So here on the line, these are 2 points on the straight line, and which are both are at a distance 5 units from the given point 3 comma 2. Next one. Each side of a square of length 4 units. In a square, all the sides are equal. A, B, C, D I am taking. Each length of each side, that is 4 units only. The center of the square is 3 comma 7. Center, that is the point of intersection of the diagonals only. If I draw this one also, this is the point of intersection. This is the center only. Center, what they given? 3 comma 7. This one I am taking P 3 comma 7. And one of its diagonal is parallel to y is equal to x. So this one I am taking, this is the line diagonal parallel to this line y is equal to x only. Y is equal to x, then what about the slope of this one? Tan theta is equal to y is equal to mx. So m is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to 1. So theta is equal to 45 degrees only. So this one makes an angle 45 degrees with the positive direction of x. If these two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal only. So here also theta is equal to 45. Now, here the length of the diagonal AC, that is equal to always root 2 times the side only, 4 root 2. Length of the diagonal, that is root 2 times the side. So 4 into root 2. Now, here P is the midpoint of AC. Then what about PC length? PC, that is equal to half of this one only, 2 root 2. This length, that is 2 root 2. So this length I got R is equal to 2 root 2. Here I am taking H comma K. H comma K, that is one of the point on this line at a distance 2 root 2 from the point 3 comma 7. Then what about the parametric equations here? H is equal to x1 plus or minus, here we want a forward and backward point also, R 2 root 2 cos theta, cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. Here root 2 gets cancelled. H is equal to 3 plus or minus 2. And K is equal to y1 plus or minus R sin 45, that is also 1 by root 2. Here root 2 gets cancelled. 7 plus or minus 2 only. By taking plus, we can get 5, 9. And by taking minus 1, 5. So one is 1 comma 5, another one 5 comma 9. Here these two we got. Now angle between the diagonals, that is 90 degrees only. If one of the diagonal is parallel to y is equal to x, another diagonal compulsory, that is parallel to y is equal to minus x only. So here tan theta is equal to minus 1. So theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. In the second quadrant, tan is negative. So theta always lies in between 0 to 180. So here we can take it, theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 we can take. Now, here also I am taking, otherwise here I am taking x1, y1. Now, this is also same only, 2 root 2 units. x1 is equal to 3 plus plus or minus r cos theta, cos 3 pi by 4, that is minus 1 by root 2. Cos 135, cos 90 plus 45 minus sin 45 minus 1 by root 2. y1 is equals to 7 plus or minus r sin 135, that is 1 by root 2 only. Root gets cancelled, here also these two gets cancelled. 3 plus or minus 2 we are getting. And here y1 is equals to 7 plus or minus 2. By taking here plus 3 plus of minus 2, that is 1. Here by taking plus 9. And by taking minus 3 plus 2, that is 5. By taking minus here 5. So here 1 comma 9 and so here one is 1 comma 9 and another one 5 comma 5. 5 comma 5, that is 5 comma 9, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 9. So this is very important also, symmetric form of a line. Not only in this chapter, in the circles also, in every so many topics, in the so many concepts we can use this concept, distance form of a line. In other topics also we can use this concept. Next one, a straight line L is drawn through the point A2, 1 such that its a point of intersection with the straight line. See here, this is the line passing through the point A2, 1 such that it's gone through the point A2, 1 such that it's a point of intersection with the straight line. One more straight line is there. This one cuts this line at a distance of 3 root 2 from A. Here r is equal to 3 root 2 is given. This one if I take A, this is the P1. AP is given 3 root 2. Find the angle which the line L makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Here inclination of this line we want. Inclination of this line. What is the angle made by this line with the positive direction of x-axis? Here we don't know that one. Let it be theta only. The inclination I am taking theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Now here the coordinates of P I am taking h comma k. Now parametric equations I am writing h is equals to, here we have to take u only 1. H is equals to x1 plus r is 3 root 2 cos theta, theta only we am taking. K is equals to y1 plus r sin theta. Now where is h comma k? H comma k lies on, here h comma k lies on x plus y is equals to 9. So h plus k is equals to 9. What about h value? 2 plus 3 root 2 cos theta plus 1 plus 3 root 2 sin theta, that is equals to 9. From these two terms if I take 3 root 2 as a common, cos theta plus sin theta, that is equals to 2 plus 1 3, that is 6 only. Cos theta plus sin theta, that is equals to 6 by 3 root 2 2 times. So cos theta plus sin theta, that is equals to root 2. Otherwise if I divide with root 2, 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta, that is equals to 1. So this one we can write as sin of a plus b also. Sin theta sin 45 plus cos theta cos 45, that is a sin of theta plus pi by 4, that is equals to 1. So here theta plus pi by 4, that should be equals to pi by 2. Sin 91, so total angle should be equals to 90 degrees. So theta is equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 4. So theta is equals to pi by 4. 90 minus 45, that is a 45. So the angle made by this line with the positive direction of x-axis, that is a 45 degrees. So like this, here we discussed the 5 different model questions also. Like this, so many problems are there. That's all the model questions we can solve like this only. Thank you.